Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas, downtown Las Vegas this time. We're going to check out the Circa Hotel and Casino. I haven't visited this place since last fall when it opened, so let's check it out, shall we? So as soon as you walk in, right off of Fremont Street, you have Mega Bar on the left-hand side. It's located on the first floor. It's a high-energy space that gives guests a chance to watch talented bartenders, known for their dazzling behind-the-bar flair skills as they send bottles and glasses flying through the air all night long. I didn't see any flare action going on today, but the other video I did back in the fall has some pretty nifty flare action if you're interested in that. So many monitors, but only 4 programs playing. What's with that? My idea is to give each seat its own remote control, so while you're sitting there, you have your own monitor, you can watch whatever you want, which would probably be a New York video. And of course, Circa has a sports book like none other. It's 3 Stories of Glory, the largest sports betting experience in the world, where the most advanced technology, including a 3-story sports book, meets good old-fashioned Vegas hospitality. Here we have Vegas Vicky, Sin City's iconic kicking neon cowgirl sign, who was named Sassy Sally when she first hung over the entrance to the Glitter Gulch Casino in 1980. Then in 1994, she married the neighboring neon sign cowboy Vegas Vic and acquired her current name. Time took its toll on Vegas Vicky, and she was put into storage, and the vintage neon sign was rescued by owner Derek Stevens of the Circa, which opened just a few feet away from the older Glitter Gulch. Vicky was repaired by Yesco, the same sign company that built her, and in a frantic last-minute restoration push, the pulley that kicked her mechanical leg was repaired 1 minute before she was flipped back on October 27, 2020. Vicky now hangs in the indoor atrium next to Vegas Vicky's Cocktail Lounge. She finally has her own place and is safely shielded from the elements. And as you just saw, you could pick up a Vicky Vegas mug for just $14.95 and fuel one of the several gift shops they have here at the Circa. And here we have the front desk or reception area with a backdrop of a rather Picasso-looking Vegas Vicky. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Looks like a photo opportunity. Not sure what they're doing with this room here. When I was here back in October when the place first opened, there was a big Lego exhibit here with these 4 statues here at that time. Several of them have been removed since then, and I'd love to see more Lego here. I'm a big Lego fan, but they need to do something with this room and unlock those doors. These figures are entirely made of little tiny Legos, and that figure up front, Derek Stevens, co-owner of the Circa. And this is Victory Burger. Satisfy your sports itch and your appetite at the ultimate sports restaurant, developed by the founding family of American Coney Island inventors of the Coney Dog. Coney Dog, by the way, is at the D, another Derek Stevens property down here in Fremont Street. And here we have Jack Pot, the coffee place here at the Circa, as well as the entrance to the Garage Mahal, which is where you can park your car if you brought a car with you. And this is Saginaw's, probably the closest thing you're going to find to a New York City deli here in Las Vegas. This is the entrance to Stadium Swim, probably one of the most talked about pools here in Las Vegas in the past year. I visited it in the fall when I first came here when Circa first opened up. And if you want to check out the pool, you can do it on that video. I'm not paying another $30 to get upstairs, so there you go, folks. Check it out on my previous video here at the Circa. Hey, Derek Stevens, co-owner of the Circa. Give Jeff from New York access to your freaking building. He's not gonna pee in your pool. People want to see stuff. So the upper level gift shop, Circle Essentials, has some pretty cool stuff that you don't find in other hotel and casino gift shops. Obviously they have Circa merchandise here, but there's other souvenirs that I just don't see in other gift shops around town, so that makes this place pretty cool. They had a table here filled with books all about Vegas, and some of them I already own, and some of them I were thinking about owning. I was going to order them on Amazon, and I couldn't buy them here because that whole travel thing, but I decided which books I wanted to buy from Amazon and which ones I didn't, due to this table here that they have at this gift shop. It's fascinating. I must have spent about 15-20 minutes just going through their books here. Hey baby, come here often? What? 24/7? Honey, I feel sorry for you. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Hey ladies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.